Good morning students. So yesterday we have completed till exercise D of our chapter 4, that is clothes and fibers, and today we will do our next exercise, that is exercise E. Answer the following questions in detail. So these are your long question answers. So let's understand what is the meaning of the question and what is the answer. So question 1 is differentiate between natural and synthetic fibers. So student, in this question you have to write the difference between natural fibers and synthetic fibers. So in the chapter we have discussed that natural fibers that we get from the natural source, for example plants and animals. Yes, and for examples of these natural fibers are cotton and jute. Next is the synthetic fibers that are made by the humans in the factories and by using the chemicals, and the examples of these fibers are nylon, rayon and acrylic. So let's see the answer of this question is, first we describe the natural fibers and the synthetic fibers. Fibers obtained from plants and animals are known as natural fibers, whereas fibers made by man in factories are known as synthetic fibers. The example of natural fibers are cotton that we get from the plant, and the second is the jute that also we get from the plant. The second one is the example of synthetic fibers are the nylon, rayon, etc. Next, question 2 is write any 3 ways of taking care of clothes. So student, in this question you have to write the 3 steps or 3 ways that how you can take care of clothes. Yes, in the chapter we have discussed that clothes help us to protect from the different climatic conditions, from heat, from rain, from winds, from insects, and they also help us to look smart. But as we have also discussed that we wear the clothes according to different seasons. For example, summer season, during the summer season we do not wear the woolen clothes, so we have to store them, and if we are wearing the clothes they become dirty. Stains are also obtained on the clothes, and due to smell of the sweat also they become very untidy. So it's necessary to wash the clothes first by using the soap or the detergent to make them free from dirt, stains and smell of the sweat. Next thing, after washing we have to squeeze them properly and then dry up in the sun's heat. And after drying, the wrinkles are formed, then we have to iron the clothes, and the important thing is that the precious or the expensive clothes like woolen and the silk, they should not be soaked in hot water because it may damage the fabric. And the last one is that while storing the clothes, because we wear the clothes according to different seasons, so while storing the clothes we have to keep the naphthalene ball or the neem leaves in between the clothes to prevent them from getting spoiled by the insects. So let's see the answer of this question. The 3 ways of taking care of clothes are, the first one is clothes should be washed with soap to remove dirt and stains. Second is do not soak woolen or silk clothes in hot water as it may damage the fabric, it may damage or it may spoil the fabric. The third one is neem leaves or naphthalene ball should be kept between clothes while storage, so that it should not be affected or it should not be spoiled by the insects easily.